Hey gang, welcome to another episode of Tomboy Beauty. I got a throwback Thursday for you. Yes, this is the Allure December 2017 beauty box, and it's the last of my Allures because I canceled my subscription after this. So if you like the Allures, I apologize, but I need to downsize a little bit, but then I upsize, so there we go. Anyway, I got rid of the Allure for stuff that was cheaper. So this is the last box, so I hope you enjoy the Allure. So yep, it's the last Allure beauty box that I'm unboxing. Inside the box, I lied, therefore I am. Pretty sure that's not Shakespeare, but hey, it's Allure. The theme is icon status. It's a box they curated with Jaclyn Hill. If you don't know Jaclyn Hill, she does a lot with Morphe, and that's going to be one of the products too. Her palettes sell out. Anything she does sells out. She's a YouTuber. But yeah, I actually have the Ulta Morphe palette. I got it for $5 because I'm savvy like that. But yeah, here's the products. We have the Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. So it's a primer that you put on your face. Look, it comes in a little, just spin a little. I don't have any makeup on, so let's play in products today. So, a little primer. I do have BB cream on. I just got out of the shower. So, let's prime our face for makeup. I like to do a little, I learned this from the Clarins people at the Nordstrom Beauty Trend. You give yourself like a little face massage when you're putting your primer on. So, it doesn't feel heavy. My skin feels smooth, so that's good. The next product is the Morphe Pro M433 Firm Blending Fluff Brush. Jaclyn calls it her ride or die. It's multifunctional. It's goat hair bristles. However, they're already shedding a little bit, so I don't know if that's supposed to ride or die. Then we have Dior Show Mascara. I'm not opening it up to show the bristles of the brush because I have so many mascaras right now, and if you open it, you break the seal, and then the clock starts ticking on the time for the mascara, which you shouldn't keep your mascara more than 3 months anyway. Just a little tip. Then we have Oribe Matte Waves Texture Lotion. I'm actually going to put it in my hair right now. Let's see. Sexy and effortless are 2 words used to describe this. Well, beach waves. Yeah, so let's see. I just got out of the shower. So this could be a hot mess. Whoop, a little bit. Like a little dime quarter size here. Let's see if I get effortless beach waves. I'll probably have to dry it afterwards, but you'll probably see that in another video. There we go. Put that in. Now I'm going to have effortless beach waves. The next one is something I'm really excited to try. It's the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter in Champagne Pop. So this was a collab with Jaclyn Hill with Becca. It's like a champagne highlighter. It kicked off an internet frenzy. They sold a record 25,000 of these in just 20 minutes, to the point that it had its own Instagram hashtag called Finding Champagne Pop because people couldn't find it. So, boom. There we go. And then finally, I love this product. It's Philosophy Purity Made Simple One-Step Facial Cleanser. I love it. It's one of my favorites. So great. So excited to try it. I can't get the seal open, so we're not going to smell it. But there we go. That is the last of my Allure boxes. But I have other boxes, so you'll still get videos from me. You know where to find me. You're already watching this video on YouTube, so there's that. And stay beautiful.